is Ian Thompson with RE/MAX Professionals. Here we are in the springtime, and still it feels like there's not a lot of homes for sale. Here's an opportunity for the smart buyer. This is on a cul-de-sac in South Jinglepot, just walking distance to Westwood Lake. A one-level rancher, 3-bed, 2-bath, gas heat, and it's been recently painted. Shows really well. Let's have a look inside. There's lots to like about this home, including the living room, dining room combination and 2 gas fireplaces and a terrific home office. I'm telling you, if you work at home, this space is fantastic. Whether you're downsizing or perhaps you're in a condominium and the kids need some yard space, this house works for just about everybody. Lots of new features as well. Composite deck, fencing, recently painted, and of course, you'll walk right up to Westwood Lake for summertime fun. Call your agent to book a viewing today.